Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra Spande. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscription button and the notification button. What are you waiting for? So today we are doing an eyebrow tutorial, simple eyebrow for $1. So I started by brushing my brow with the powder so that we can remove the oils. It will be easier to line and it can stay longer. So now I'm measuring where I have to line. So when you're lining, just follow the exact shape of your eyebrows and use light forces. So when you are lining the upper brow, you don't have to start exactly in front. You need to start from the middle so that we can structure our brow to look like natural. So when you are filling in, use lighter forces so that your brows can look natural. You don't want them to be obvious that it was just like fake. So we want the brow to look natural, naturally shaped eyebrows. That's what we want. So when you are lining, just use light force and fill in lighter force. For concealer, we just use a flat brush and we just put concealer exactly on the under that brow bone. So we just highlight it there. Do not make a mistake to put a lighter shade than your skin in front of your brow. You will look you look funny. So there we will just mix with the concealer with small foundation in front. That's what we are doing now. Small foundation and concealer. That's what you are doing to line the front. And if you want to line the upper line again, you use foundation so that your brows can look natural and stunning and they will not look funny.